Jer-hawr is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn how to say, I have a cat. Tá cat agam. Tá cat agam. I have a cat. You can use this sentence structure to state that you have anything. So you could also say, Tá madra agam. I have a dog. Tá madra agam. Or, I have a house. Tá chok agam. Tá chok agam. It also works for people. Tá dreh-hawr agam. Tá dreh-hawr agam. Why not sign up to Irish for Beginners? A free 1-month course delivered by email. Sign up here.